Alright, so here we have another video of the Lasko 2016 16-inch oscillating desk table fan that I posted up like months ago. Now I'm doing another video again of this fan and my other fans because of the camera quality, and I got a different camera this time. Now going into the camera situation. The other camera that I usually take to film all my videos is on an iPod Touch 4th generation, which has a very crappy and pixelated camera. And the camera that I'm using now is I think like an 8 megapixel camera off of an Android phone, a Samsung Android phone. And the iPod Touch 4th generation camera that I would use that's very pixelated and very crappy is like a 1 megapixel or half megapixel, something like that. And the quality isn't that great. So here we got the 2016 16-inch oscillating desk fan. I bought it in September of 2013 because this was on eBay for sale, and by somebody, and it was brand new in the box. And with this desk fan and all the other older, style desk stand fans by Lasko Metal Products, these are discontinued and are extremely rare that you cannot find these very much anymore, and most of these are obsolete and pretty much long gone already. So yeah, and I bought it. It was September 2013 and I got it for my birthday. I randomly found it when I was on eBay, and I've been looking for this desk fan, or at least these desk fans, for a few years already, because I found out about these desk fans and I like them. And a lot of the fans that they make today, they're very cheap quality fans that don't blow very much air at all and not very well built and won't last very long. So that's why I bought this one. And this fan, was made like in the early 2000s, I think, like around 1999, 2000, or the early 2000s sometime. And so yeah. And as you could see, I wrote 9-13 in September 2013, so I remember when I bought this fan. And since, this fan's like over 10 years and probably maybe has been sitting in the box for, many years, not being used and brand new. This fan is a good fan, and it can still last a very long time as long as you well maintain it and everything. And then this fan, it blows a lot of air and is very powerful, and a lot more powerful than some of the cheap fans, today, regardless of made by Lasko or whatever fan company. And so yeah, I'll give you a tour of the fan. Here we got the back view. And and also with these fans, with the stand fans like the 2116 and other, stand fan models, or maybe like a desk fan model, without the switch in the front but in the back, the switch would be like right around here, this area somewhere, and this would be off, then it'll go 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, high, medium, and low. And, you get the point. And this is also very similar to the Lasko 3016 and 3012 12-inch and 16-inch oscillating wall fan, where in the early 2000s they had the same motor cover style and oscillating pin. Well, now with the modern 3012 and 3016 is a different motor cover and has a rectangular oscillating knob, and similar to the other Lasko fans with the turns and with the turn switch that's like over here instead of in the back. So And there's also the 12-inch 2000 model with this desk fan. And there's also the 2112 12-inch oscillating pedestal fan, and the 2113 12-inch black, and the 2117 16-inch black, which were made a long time ago with the same era as this fan. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it on right now. Before I turn it on, in the past, some time ago when I did the fan videos, I'll start off on low, but I'm gonna start off on high, and it blows a lot of air. It blows a lot of air and it's very powerful, like I said. And I know it's not the springtime yet, where we're still in winter in February, but eventually, in the summertime when it gets hotter, then I'll be using this fan like more often. And down the south, like in Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, or Texas, or California, out in the west or out in the south somewhere, when it's like really hot in the summer, this fan that blows a lot of air, it would be very good for that weather when it becomes like 80, 90, maybe like sometimes over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This would be very good for that weather to blow. It would need like a lot of airflow to blow around. I mean, pretty much any fan that blows a lot of air or blows a good amount of air would definitely be very good for the summertime. To push a lot of air to keep it cool. Still blowing a lot of air in medium. Low speed. Back to high. Oscillation. This is like one of my favorite fans, since it's like very rare, but one of the well-built fans that are like long gone. I like how it blows a lot of air, and I'll be continuing to use this fan, for many more years to come, like maybe like 5 years, 10 years, maybe even more, because this fan can last a very long time as long as you take care of it too. Back to medium. Back to low speed. Low speed still puts out a pretty good amount of air. Puts out a slight breeze, and still blows a good amount of air and it's very quiet. Off. And that's a very good spin down time too. And the motors in these are permanently lubricated, so So, thanks for watching.